This isn't your average mac and cheese. Today we're taking it to the smoker with rich, melty cheese, a golden panko crust, and a final hit of Blanco seasoning that ties it all together. Kate here at Barbecue Pit Stop, and I'm excited to share with you my delicious mac and cheese that I love to throw in the smoker, which is perfect because it gets that added extra essence of smoke. I like to call it a kiss of smoke. And who doesn't want mac and cheese at any potluck meal? Let's get started. For this mac and cheese, we're gonna be using our Traeger Timberline XL, which is awesome because it has the induction top. That means we're gonna boil these noodles here and then pop it right into the smoker. For this recipe, I use 6 cups of chicken broth, and that's a unique ingredient for mac and cheese, but I promise it's gonna be worth it. Once that 6 cup of chicken broth is to a rolling boil, you're gonna add in about 2 tablespoons of stone ground mustard. Now I'm gonna add in 16 ounces of elbow noodles. Give that a little stir, and we're gonna cook those until they are al dente. So this is gonna take about 7 to 8 minutes, but that's going to depend on the type of pasta that you use. As this boils, it's going to reduce down quite a bit. You're gonna get a little nervous and think, what is happening? But just trust me with this process. This broth mustard combination is influencing these noodles and giving them flavor, and the starch from the pasta is going to be part of our cream sauce. It's cooked perfectly to al dente. We're not straining this pasta because, like I said, that broth is going to be part of our cheese sauce. So all we need to do now is add the cheese. I've got 2 cups of pepper jack cheese, and really you can do any combination that you would like. And you can make it as cheesy as you'd like. So take it off the heat and just add those cheeses in. I've got a medium cheddar here. I'm gonna add in about 3 to 4 cups of that. I love this recipe so much for camping, especially because you don't need the extra equipment like the strainer. It's a one-pot, delicious meal. Awesome for potlucks because I'm just gonna throw this in the smoker and let it get that extra kiss of smoke. Now this is cheesy and oh so perfect, and you could absolutely grab a spoon and dive right into this. But we're going to, like I said, put it on the smoker, but I wanna give it a little bit of a crunchy coating, so I've got some panko here. Just sprinkle that across the top. And then a little extra seasoning. This Blanco seasoning is delicious. I'm just gonna give that a light coating as well. And then into the smoker it's gonna go. We're gonna let that smoke for about 30 minutes. It's set to 225, and you can go longer, of course, it's up to you. It's been about 30 to 40 minutes, and our mac and cheese is so ready for us. How can you tell? Well, come take a peek at this. You can see a little bit of bubbling, and it has gotten a little darker in color because that is the smoke. Now it's just time to dish up. You can find all of these recipes and products that we used in this video over on our website, www.barbecuepitstop.com.